The 11-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile cleaning solution, equipped with 11 accessories to tackle a wide range of surfaces, from floors to furniture. Reaching temperatures of 260 degrees Fahrenheit, this steam mop offers powerful cleaning that eliminates 99.9% of stubborn stains without the need for chemicals. Featuring a removable 15.2-ounce water tank, this steam mop provides up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning and heats up in just 20 seconds. With adjustable angles and height, the steam mop is designed for ease of use, allowing it to reach under furniture and into corners without any hassle. The ultra-long 23-foot power cord allows for extensive cleaning without the need to constantly switch outlets, making it convenient for whole house cleaning. The sleek design with easy storage features such as a self-standing capability and hook for the power cord ensures the steam mop is both practical and easy to store.